Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in and I hope you guys are good. Today I'm sharing this quickie one pot jollof and chicken with you guys. First of all, I just added a piece of butter and 2 cooking spoons of sunflower oil. Lay my chicken in and spice it up in the pan. So I didn't have time to be spicing or marinating my chicken because there was too much traffic jam today coming back from work. Getting home, my kids said they want jollof and chicken. Okay, let's put it together. You can see I just added soy sauce, flip my chicken. All the spices I used, I listed them there for you guys to see. Cover and let it fry, and as that is busy, I'm going to be rough blending my peppers and onions. See, that is the chicken. Just flip it. Then I'm going to be adding a cup of water. Then I'm going to loosen it up. You see that yummy sauce? That's mega. Wow. And the deliciousness, I just loosen it up. See, my chicken is still cooking, so I'm gonna flip it, and I'm just going to use my fork to pierce some holes on it so that it can soak this yummy. Cover and let it stir fry. So as that is busy, I'm using basmati for this jollof. Gonna be washing my rice. See, my chicken is ready. So I'm gonna be bringing them out and I'm gonna save this sauce. In another pan, just added 1 cooking spoon of sunflower oil. Pour in my grated peppers and onions. Add in tomato paste. Put it together and let it cook for 10 minutes. My sauce is ready. Just add in my rice. Put it together. Curry powder, nutmeg and paprika. Then add in chicken stock from my freezer. You have to save your chicken stock or meat stock. Don't waste them. Always save it. You see that sauce from the chicken? Just put it in. That is very delicious. Add in 1 chicken bouillon. Still rinse that pot and pour it in. Taste for salt. Before adding salt, make sure you taste for salt. So I added salt to it. Cover and let my rice cook. But I changed the pot. I changed the pot because that pot was burning so quickly. Too quickly. So now I lay my chicken on top of my rice. And I'm gonna cover and let it cook till it's dry. This is my rice. It's yummy. This rice, this jollof came out so yummy, so delicious. And I hope I make this as easy as possible for you guys. Thank you for watching.